All right, we're going to give the snake technique a go today. I put some briquettes here that we're going to light. We'll let those get hot. We'll pile them on this end. We'll let it sneak around. We'll heat this.
That did the trick.
Appreciate you. Get church going on in the background here. Do that. Sounds good. Well, here, you know what? This is one to the benefit of this thing being put together like it is. You know, it's hard to find a whole pork shoulder during this unpleasantness. Probably because of the closure of the pork plants. So, a lot of pork's going to waste. A lot of people are just going there and listening. Horrifying. I didn't read a lot about that on the homestead page. People putting their animals down because they can't feed or switching the feed. I know that. Wait, people are? Or usually it's not people, it's the plants. Yeah. But chickens will feed pigs. There's like a weird cycle of there's animals on farms that if you want to get out some money, you can do that. Sure. Yeah, that makes some sense to me. Pigs can probably feed pigs. Yeah, rabbits feed chickens, chickens feed pigs. At least, you know. There's a lot of nutrients in rabbit troops, though. I don't know if you remember. Yeah, I remember how it tastes. Sparkles. Alright, well, do the Ranger cold in there. Oh boy, that looks good. Forbid I go to the grocery store. Spend $1.39 a little tray.
All right. Look hot. Start this on.
Okay, so what do you do now?
So now we're going to pile these hot coals onto this end. And people who know things say that this is going to burn all the way around.
And that's why you call it a snake?
Yes, it's gonna slowly burn around here, depending upon how we keep the air, how we keep the vents. So they say.
Smell the rub on that pork.
Looks hot. All right. Here, I guess.
Grip pen?
Yeah.
Good?
That'll give us a little indirect little place for the ash to the ash should stay around here, so we have our indirect heat. Put this way so that we have to add charcoal. We can do it at this end right here. Because that's what I was doing previously. I just made one pile and it was continually fed it through here because I don't have the fancy grill that has anything. Alright, well, I think this one is going to be more forgiving because it's actually part of a pork bone.
Why'd you turn it that way?
Just it seems like there's a little more fat on that end. And, actually, it's thicker on this end, so we'll put it this way. We can move it around as it moves. The shoulder, the half shoulder, is right in the middle of the stall right now. It's 6 hours and that's 3.5 pounds, so it's pretty close. Should start jumping out pretty soon. But this one's still got.
Looks like your snake worked.
Yeah,
And your drip pan's working.
It's doing its thing. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that it would go all the way around.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
That was cool. So what temperature are they at now?
This one is at this one's at 147, but because it's a loin. Because it's a loin, you don't want to destroy it. It doesn't have a lot of fat in it. This one, though, oh, look at that. Let me turn that. This one's still at the end of the stall.
Yep.
But by the time we're all done, with that, though, because look at how easily that goes in there. I mean, that's nice. So let's put that thermometer back in.
Oh, baby.
Thermometer, and we'll keep it over here so it stays. So when you use a thermometer inside a grill, make sure that it's not over the heat source because you'll cook the thermometer.
It'll melt the thermometer?
Oh yeah, it'll kill the probe. Obviously you don't put this. It'll kill the probe. So if you put it over here though, you should be okay. And then put the vent opposite the heat source so the smoke will come through across the movement.
Oh, that's a good tip.
Good safety tip.
Yeah. Well, I would have never thought.
Here's another tip. Face this toward the window if you want to look through the window to see it.
That's funny.
Yeah. Otherwise you get to come back up. Okay. And then this one.
That's a good winter tip.
So the white one will be our temperature for the grill itself.
So you got one for the grill and one for the meat?
Yeah, well, only because I don't have a high-speed rig here. This is, even the one that you've got at home, it has a thermometer right here.
Yeah.
Because I drilled it in, and this is Grandpa's. I just haven't drilled a hole in it yet. It's just a matter of time, I guess. Turn this a little bit so that these things, because it's hot down there, obviously, too. So, and I really crank the heat.
Oh, Dorothy, turn this. Well, that's that. No, you don't want it to get too long.
Take a little piece like this. Let's go. Oh, that's really good.
It's quality.
Try that. See a little smoke ring? That's not bad.
Not bad at all. Hey, Dory.
Go, Dad. I just love the smoke ring when you get that nice smoky edge there. And we didn't do anything other than put those, then use Kingsford briquettes. Some people like to use lots of different hardwoods and fruit woods like apple. All right. It's time.
Looks good.